First off, you're going to want your rice. I use Uncle Ben's parboiled rice. It tends to stick less than the other rice. You want a good thick teriyaki or stir-fry sauce. Thai stir-fry. I use whole chicken breasts, some beautiful cuts of some lean ribeye steak. Three cups of rice, 6 cups of water. So, split the chicken breast down the middle. I season my chicken with Lawry seasoning salt, a little lemon pepper. I lightly oil my pan with olive oil. Lightly cook the chicken on both sides. You don't want to cook it all the way through because you're going to cut it into cubes, but you want it to cook on both sides. Then you want to cook your chicken. And you want to cook your steak to your liking. While your meat's cooking, you want to add your vegetables to your pot, or preferably a wok. Don't need much water, it just pretty much provides its own because it's frozen. Put the required amount, how much you think you need. You're gonna go from there. Okay, so while your vegetables are steaming, you want to cut your chicken into cubes. Stir that in. Once you add that and it starts to cook, it's going to thin out. Now, we add that to some rice. Drizzle you some across the top.